For Lesson 2, we are going to specify and partition a whole into equal parts, identifying and counting unit fractions by folding fraction strips. Let's take a look at our problem set. Look at number 1. It says to circle the strips that are folded to make equal parts. So remember, when we're working with fractions, the parts need to be equal. So which one of these looks equal to you? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So here I see that this one has equal parts. The next one has, these look like they're equal parts, but these right here are not equal to the x's. So this is not going to be equal. Here I see that these are equal, but this one is not equal to the others. So we're going to cross that one out. And then here I see that this one is divided equally. Let's take a look at number 2. It says there are blank equal parts in all. Blank are shaded. So if I take a look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts, and I see that there are 1, 2 shaded. Let's look at letter B. There are blank equal parts in all. Blank are shaded. Go ahead and count to see how many equal parts there are. Then count how many are shaded and write that on the line. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are shaded. Look at letter C. There are blank equal parts in all, blank are shaded. Go ahead and solve letter C and letter D on your own. Fill in the blanks. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So for letter C, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. I see 1, 2, 3 parts that are shaded. For letter D, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts again, but 0 are shaded. Let's look at number 3. It says Dylan plans to eat 1/5 of his candy bar. His 4 friends want him to share the rest equally. Show how Dylan and his friends can each get an equal share of the candy bar. So the first thing I need to do is to draw a piece of tape. It says that Dylan plans to eat 1/5 of his candy bar, and his 4 friends want him to share the rest equally. So the first part tells me that there's 1/5 of it, which means if I take a look at the bottom number, that's how many pieces of the candy bar there are. So I am going to draw 4 lines to represent the fifths. So Dylan wants to eat only one part of it. So this is what I'm going to shade in. I'm going to label it D for Dylan. It next says that his 4 friends want him to share the rest equally. Well, if Dylan gets the 1 piece, we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 friends. And lucky for us, there are 4 pieces of the candy bar left over. So, how much will Dylan and his friends get of the candy bar? So they're going to each get 1/5 of the candy bar. So let's write that as a statement. They will each get 1/5 1/5 of the candy bar. Your assignment is to complete the homework sheet number 1 and number 2. Check the answer keys at the front of the room. When you are finished, we are going to do something a little bit different. You are going to turn your homework sheet in so Mrs. Drum can check it. Next, I want you to get an exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and put it in the turn-in tray when you are finished. If you do not finish, then you need to put the exit ticket in your take-home folder to work on it for homework. I'll see you next time.